Balancing innovation, cost efficiency in manufacturing, and timely delivery of high-quality products to customers presents a significant challenge for aerospace and defense manufacturers, amidst increasing market volatility, evolving geopolitical dynamics, and supply chain disruptions. The global aerospace and defense industry is expected to grow from $884 billion in 2023 to $985 billion in 2024, at a CAGR of 11.5%. It will further increase to $1,234 billion in 2028, at a CAGR of 5.8%. The North American region holds the bulk of this growth opportunity. Every aerospace and defense manufacturer wants a piece of the pie, and stay profitable in the market. To do this, they will have to adopt modern technology in the form of ERP software to become more lean, efficient, and productive. Specifically designed for aerospace and defense manufacturers, OmegaCube ERP allows manufacturers to automate critical workflows, eliminate manual and silo-based processes. With interconnected functionalities and advanced integration capabilities with industry-leading applications, manufacturers can efficiently manage workflows throughout the project lifecycle. With OmegaCube ERP, manufacturers can easily handle complex supply chains and mitigate market volatility. Maintain strict quality control across the entire product lifecycle. Ensure compliance with AS900 industry standards, certifications and government regulations. Carry out complex scheduling, resource allocation and budget management. Plan, execute and monitor complex projects to ensure on-time delivery. Improve material traceability to reduce recalls and improve overall product quality. Manage engineering changes, version control and configuration management. Track and analyze costs to identify inefficiencies, and implement corrective measures to improve profitability. Get a real-time view of production efficiency, inventory turnover and other critical KPIs. Identify and mitigate risks across the organization and global supply chain. Improve customer satisfaction levels. Our experts would be delighted to show you what OmegaCube ERP can do for your aerospace and defense manufacturing enterprise. Get in touch with us today.